ho da thiri namshi abol da awul le desha da awu thanda ransol dishes gang la so da awul la da
samalo tai dele de doma resort kem thangbola samalo lo sa chebani la tashi dele tangme ye en samalo lo sabana la tashi dele da en sere wanda lo le wanda chan chaju tu so palo so da to pe en ne de ka paje tamji se hunde shu yos en tri azu de ya da nakpune nangwagi je de sasani de le sha ani shogene ji kala go kaza shapuni sne la tapge nakbogi khajigi de komba kha kachi tawa namala ji debda penda de so pya yela tawa kachi yus nala todo chese na zo komba tawa de shi shin su de so komba da ni ma komba de je tapge la de je tapge de todo de japso 네, 더 잡자서 샤포니스에서 있잖아. 쇼게가 데 홉자고제 쇼게 데 동에도 좋아했을 때 저들어다. 튀자 마트한테 이 자가 사장이 되라는데 자도 where you from the line 나고 되는 인사. 이제도 셰데 남주 계좌도 어떤 수준 단계에서 나한테 공부 카드를 되는데 요래서 알아서 뭐 오픈 도어 계좌도 셰. 네, 자랑이 되는 거 알았지. 네, 수준들이 말로 딱 벌써 돈 줍시니 다 봐도 참말라 제 한국에 대비 밴드들라 참말 되게 후보도나 제스다들 되게 디코도 시셰도 지스만 아주 되게 대야의 케이스 네 가서 예스모 조가 타기라 근데들이 연락을 순서를 도와줘서 그 하려고 코 인지들은 딱 와서 제대로 차리도 네 나도 거기서 패키지에 가도 돼 김님하고 뭐 도와주시니 그리고 받을 때가 돼야이 캔자 이미징도 메디컬도 같은 자료도 가상가서 이제 로다고 뛰고 같이 디셈버나라 두고 미노자다 납주들이야 유니폼 소다 때사라 참말라 잠이 지메지기 가르치는 이야기를 세미노도 저는 짜타이다 감발전에 약고 이러시 라임바 근데 쇼게 뉴 건다 때가 두두가서 딱딱한 홍콩기 메트로다는 마 tempo도 남산미노 보면 지금 잡고 팍 슈스지 슈어 맞다데 어떤 뭐게 이 통문도 근데 egg natural egg just la chiro chira se pa chiro se ne de che cha tu lapsa azam de Mainpat lapsa phone legi to life ni no ja dang ap chula ji de de is oh lam ni hong kong la lapsa ngal mi no ande chiwa da de la chiwa lapsa coincident lo ju ni na la de cha ma ni hop ja bu da 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 plus ga na de ma ko bala and the distribute share you hope this the right hand okay yeah Buddha, yeah, Dharma, and Sangha, and world peace. Okay. Buddha, Dharma, and Sangha, world peace. This is special for New Year. 1 year, one time. Yeah. Then I give you a scarf. This is called Tibetan Kata. Kata and white. White means when we're getting old, hair is become white. White means long life. And also prosperity and good business, good health, world peace. And when His Holiness Dalai Lama, Kamapa, and any VIP from other country, we offer kata. Yeah. This is kata. It's good luck for you. Have a nice day. Yeah. Welcome. Yeah, welcome to you too. Yeah. Then you yourself offer to Buddha.
yes
Kata. Yeah. Yeah, Buddha. Yeah. Shakyamuni and Shariputra and Mangaputra. Shariputra and Mangaputra. And this all the surrounding inside has a Buddha statue. As long time, so we made by handmade. So very great. But all lamas are passed away. So then Lama Dorje, after he stayed here, and maybe 30 years, he is a retreat, which I show you the jungle Lama. He is the retreat master. After that, he went to Tibet. He passed away. He drew all the pictures. This is Guru Pema Sambhava. And Guru Pema Sambhava is the higher Vajrayana, the Buddha's disciple.
Okay.
Eight disciple, one of the Guru Pema Sambhava. He was born in this is one of the lake from Pakistan,
Okay.
and also have a reversal and Himachal from Delhi to almost 12 hours by car. There's a lake, holy lake, and holy mountain. There's many now great master and lamas whole life go retreat. Some 1 month, some few years, some whole life until now. So many Vajrayana Buddhists visited there, but not Japan, Korea, Thailand, and very seldom. Only Tibetan Vajrayana Buddhists in there. So whole of the Buddhists is over the Shakyamuni. And after that, Theravada, Hinayana, Mahayana, Vajrayana, Tantrayana, like this. We are Tibetan is Vajrayana. Vajrayana, then after also Buddha point out future Guru Pema Sambhava, so born, then they create all the Vajrayana way of the like one lifetime become enlightenment. So so have a method of very secret teaching. So Guru Rinpoche have 100 treasures. Some treasure from mountain, some treasure from wind, some treasure from earth, four elements in space. And 100 treasure, there is many secret teaching from wind and ocean and river and rain and mountain. So very secret teaching in empowerment. When you practice, there has a method of one lifetime you become enlightenment. Yeah, Guru Pema Sambhava. This Guru Pema Sambhava. This is drawn by our very great retreat master Lama Dode, two sides. And then here, he also Nepal. Nepal also our temple. 그것도 되게 나폴기 부디스. 나폴기 세포도 어디 공부. 제가 뭔가 거기 구구 탐정이야. 버드지 땅고 스케치 하고 있어. 그래서 나와 공부 소로 공부 받을 소. 4 to 5 tonight we have a Guru Mahakala Puja. So that time you buy the cake and celebrate here.
But it will take time to prepare actually. We have ordered the cake, but he's saying that he will deliver it to 6 or 7 p.m.
6 to 7 p.m.
6 to 6:30 in the evening.
Evening, right? So the 2 번에 dimba cake 하고 있어. 다와 탐지라 happy birthday to them. Dr. Ambedkar, a disciple from Nagpur. Nagpur is one of the Buddhist. So yeah, Buddhist
Center.
center point. Yeah. So our Kamapa always visit to Nagpur. Many holiness with connection with Nagpur always very good samaya each other. to 10 direction. So 3 jewels always placed to the so unconscious of the great master of Dr. Ambedkar and all the disciples, all peaceful, all the whole of the world. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
What is this we are rotating?
This is a Dharma wheel. Dharma wheel. Inside have a lot of mantras. The prosperity mantras. Yeah, it's a paper mantra. And we put the saffron and all the anti-clockwise. So once we turn it to thousand inside. Yeah, mantras.
Yes, yes.
Muni, Mahamuni Yesoha. Om Muni Muni Muni, Mahamuni Yesoha. Om Muni Muni Muni, Mahamuni Yesoha. Mantra of Buddha. This is a Guru Prema Sambhava. This is a Tibetan flag, Buddhist flag. There's a different kind of mantras. Buddhas and Bodhisattvas, all the great masters mantras. Then you print out and read. So all the environments to the purify. Yeah. It's special for the wind. Wind, when blowing. Yeah, very good the peaceful. Positive thing. Different 5 colors. The 5 emanations of Buddha. And 5 elements. 5 elements of Buddha.
Oh.
Happy birthday.
Hai na.